Lights, camera, action.
It's not yet summer, but come and join me as I explore the Santorini-inspired resort here in the Philippines. Good morning to my viewers, and today is another travel vlog here in the Philippines.
Natuloy din sa wakas. Kayo po pala yung lagi kayo nagpapakancel.
May mga IDs po, di ba agad?
And getting a warm welcome with some refreshments.
Hi guys! Welcome to Thunderbird La Union. Okay, this is like Santorini inspired. So they have first pool and the second pool is over there. Okay, let's go check in muna. We're looking for the room. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna show you our deluxe rooms. And so upon entering, you will see the bathroom. You have a tub, shower, and a sink. On the side of the bedroom, you'll see a kitchen area here where you can use if you want to heat up some food. We got the deluxe standard room with 2 twin-size beds. So now let's check out the other room. It has the same layout and very identical with the other room. The good thing about it, the bathroom and the bedroom area are really spacious. This deluxe standard room is good for 2 persons inclusive of breakfast. And since there will be 3 persons staying in this room, there will be an additional 1,800 per adult. We booked it at 9,500 as an early bird promo rate. You gotta check their website to avail their promos.
Bibingka is 250, Potobongbong is 110.
Before anything else, we're gonna get some merienda with some Filipino delicacy. See, that is a bamboo shoot over there. This is where they're gonna cook the puto bongbong, which is a Filipino Christmas delicacy. And here is the finished product of bibingka, which is made from rice cake with some salted egg toppings. This is puto bongbong made up of purple rice, topped with cheese, toasted coconut, muscovado, and drizzled with caramel sauce.
We're gonna go to the lights of Santorini here in Thunderbird Resort.
Now we are heading to an attraction where you'll see large-scale street lights that is similar to the front of Los Angeles Museum.
Isang bilog lang siya.
It's actually a smaller version of the urban light, but it's still an IG-worthy that looks like the original display. Most of the people who have traveled to California would easily recognize this instantly. So we're gonna head back because we are running after before the beach closes.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. It's currently like 5:44 and the beach is until 6 p.m. Kuya, saan po yung papunta sa beach?
Tapos ground floor po.
Elevator then ground floor.
Tapos left side po.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so can you see that? That's on the ground floor and that's where we're going. This is their first pool, mostly for kids. The depth ranges from 2 feet to 4 feet. And this is the part of the resort with a glooming thousand of artificial roses which attract visitors, especially at night.
Ito yung pool number 2. Parang medyo malalim siya.
Apparently you can't swim in this front area of the beach since this portion is quite deep and rocky. So you have to go to the other end for the shoreline. But due to high tide, the beach closes early. That means we can't swim anymore and we'll just have some dinner.
Okay. We're late for the beach. So pool na lang and then dinner. We're gonna have some grilled fish and pork barbecue.
Available pa kasi tayo, chef.
Barbecue din. Sige, go.
Barbecue. Oh, yeah.
Ito makapal oh. Ay, makapal. By kilos ba to?
Baka tubigas.
Okay.
Ooh, and after a long wait, our dinner is finally served. O, di ba nice? Buti na lang wala masyadong tao. E di solo namin ng mga pool.
Let's go for a swim. Tara na guys, mag-swimming na tayo. Hello, nakakatakot. Ha? Hala, we're walking in the middle of the pool. Oh no! Nasa gitna kami ng pool. Tadan! Wag lang madudulas, please lang. I hope not. Ah! Santorini at night.
Alright, so we finished swimming and we're gonna chill out here at their lounge bar.
Ano to? Ripe mango.
Tastes good. Yummy. Ano?
Wala rin, parang halos wala rin sugar to.
Maasim.
Walang lasa. Tasteless. Taste lang naman.
Better na yung healthy yan.
Healthy living.
Yes.
Healthy living bago maging healthy living.
Kailangan i-forget.
Ano ba yung finger foods nila?
Kaya lang.
Ano?
For 180 something. Tapos 5 pieces lang.
Guys, medyo mahal yung...
Right, medyo blurry pala. Nag-range siya around 450 to 650 pesos. Just ordered some juices and a sharing of one finger food. We got some crispy potato croquettes that are very costly, accounting for about 500 plus pesos.
Ha? 180 pa? Hindi na 500. Like it's 120 each. Okay, let's
Bigyan mo na lang sa kuya.
stick together. Let's try. So what's inside? Pecan and cheese. What is this ba? Sour cream.
Sour cream and
The other one.
barbecue.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. A fried potato.
cream.
Baking sauce.
It's card bacon.
Sarap yung sour cream.
Oh, andyan pala kayo? Aga nyo ah. Are you ready for the beach? Cause I'm so ready.
Grabe ng layo po natin. Ground. Tagal. Again. Ba, parang memorize mo na kahit ikaw na lang pala mag-isa maglakad. Good morning. Ah, naglilinis pa siya. This is the view in the morning. Oh, let's go to the beach. Hindi nga sa matuloy-tuloy. Babasahin mo yung jacket mo. Yes, good morning, Thunderbird. Good morning, La Union. Ano nagkabagyo? Bago lang?
Yung sino ba to?
Alas.
Tatlong bagyo na nang...
Bago na. Kaya
Ay, yung bago lang. Yung hindi tayo natutuloy dahil sa may bagyo.
postpone kami na postpone.
Nasira. So can you see this part of Thunderbird is like a broken lamp and stairs and has been destroyed by the typhoon apparently. There was a typhoon that hit last November in northern Luzon, so there were like 3 typhoons all together. That's why this part of Thunderbird has been destroyed. But then it's still a good accommodation if you want to try some beach near Metro Manila that is just 4 hours away. So our accommodation here has a free buffet breakfast that would start at 6:30 until 10 in the morning. So later on, I will let you see what's on the menu of our breakfast. For now, we're just here by the beach, inhaling some fresh air.
Nakakagutom talaga mag-swimming, so let's have some breakfast. This is what I'm talking about earlier, the free breakfast that is included in our accommodation.
Baka konti lang. Picadillo. Adobo. Wow, sarap na adobo. Parang lunch na ata to. Oo, lunch na siya, hindi na siya breakfast.
Porto Point is a 65 hectares resort in La Union, incorporating architectural design inspired by Santorini Islands of Greece, with an overlooking of San Fernando Bay and the West Philippine Sea. Now we are passing their 270 square meters fully furnished 3-bedroom villa that are well equipped.
Let's go for checkout.
Upon checking out, we are claiming our incidental deposit amounting for 2,000 per room.
Wala na tao doon.
Wala na po.
2, 3, 4. Pantay lang ma'am sa 103. 105 ang clear niya pa.
Okay na.
Okay, what's
Tara na.
next? Let's go to Baguio. Of course, don't forget to tune in with Simply Lori.